Siwa is here, your favorable girl, ADA Glow Up with other who have missed me. I've missed you too here. So what do we have today? Calm down. I came bearing good news. Yes, I came bearing good news, and because we have citrus whitening oil from Thailand. This is straight from Thailand. We don't make it. I don't make it. So this is straight from Thailand. This is a citrus oil, and if you're a skincare formulator and you have been trying so hard, see, Ada does not give a review on something that does not work. If you know Ada, I cannot say this does not work and it does not work. It does work, because I came forth with good news. So this citrus whitening oil is straight from Thailand. If you're a skincare formulator and you have been spending money on serums, these they'll say you, especially Ojota markets, have been dealing with so many people. You will go to here, they'll say this one is working, this one is working, you will carry and do production. At the end, your customer will start complaining, it's not working, what is not working, I'm even getting darker, and you spend a whole lot to buy those active ingredients thinking it's going to work, but it's not working. Please, it's okay. We are here for you. We are here to make sure that those your customers aren't going nowhere. We are going to hold them firm. So this is a citrus oil. This is a very strong oil. This is a very strong oil that, if I should say this oil works, it works like magic. So instead of you to spend money to buy serums 60,000, at the end it's not working, and at the end your money, you are not seeing any gain, no profits inside your formula, no profits or no gain in your product. So what are you going to do? Please buy this. If you can make 10 kg, if you're making 10 kg of whitening cream, you don't need serum. The only thing you need is just replace this with your serums. Add this and do your production. Add other your actives that you know that can boost the effectiveness of the cream. Add this will help you, and this is super affordable, and we have it too in 5 kg. This thing is so, we have it too in 5 kg, so it comes in 5 kg, it comes in 1 liter, so and it doesn't come in 500 ml. Please, there's nothing like give me small, let me go and taste. There is no one to taste, there is no small. It comes in this or it comes in this, because we buy it, sell it straight to wholesalers, and we sell it straight to our formulators. So don't say please give me one small to taste. There's no small to taste. Yes, so I love you just the way you love me. Please and please don't forget, buy this. You will definitely not regret this. I don't want your customers to go anywhere. I want them to stick by you and to give them the quality. It does not give stretch mark, no green vein, and does not give white patches. This is the beautiful of this citrus oil. Trust me.